Hi, welcome to this session. In today's session, we are going to see how to write long essays. First, be very specific with respect to your topic, because the narrower the topic, the better it is, or the easier it will be for you to come up or to collect the materials and sources with respect to it, because a topic can be much broader than your imagination. So it is always advisable that choose a specific angle with respect to any particular topic. Second is that research. Spend a good amount of time in doing research, so that you will be able to collect a good amount of materials and find sources, and also you will be able to find the interconnection in between all those sources that you have collected. And also it will be you will be able to build a story around them. Third, come up with the thesis statement. So what is thesis statement? Thesis statement will outline that what all points or subtopics you are going to discuss in the body of the essay or writing. So it will give a structure, and also it will outline the body of your essay or writing. Fourth and the most important thing, how to further write and make it a lengthy one, make the length of the essay a lengthier one. So the subtopics that you have picked up or that you have come up with to discuss about, so just make them headlines, and then give a little bit of background about the very subtopic, and then in the further paragraph give a reason with respect to the very subtopic, and then in the subsequent paragraph give lots of evidences, so that it will justify your point, and the reader will be able to capture the essence of the topic or the subtopic that you are discussing about. Then for the other rest of the subtopics, you repeat the same process, and then you will get a good amount of, or you will give a very good amount of information in the body of the essay. Then at the last conclusion, summarize your point of view and also give some action points to the readers, so that it will be stuck in their mind. So that is how you can write a lengthier essay. Thank you very much.